Hello everyone. Welcome to English Stories with AM, the podcast that helps beginners learn English through simple conversations. Today, we have a short and easy dialogue about meeting someone for the first time. Let's listen carefully.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I am Adam. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Adam.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan and you?
I am from Canada.
Oh, that's nice. Do you live here now?
Yes, I do. I moved here last year.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot. The people are very friendly.
That's good to hear.
What do you do?
I am a student and you?
I am a teacher.
Wow, great.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. I want to speak better English.
You are doing very well.
Thank you.
You are welcome. See you again.
See you. Bye.
This was a simple conversation for beginners. You can practice by listening again and repeating after the speakers. Thank you for joining English Stories with AM. See you next time.